Welcome. Today in this short walkthrough, we will show how RTC Suite helps you to comply with the United Arab Emirates e-Invoicing framework. So RTC Suite is an ERP agnostic solution and can be integrated with any versions of SAP along with the other ERPs as well. And in the solution itself, the RTC Suite is handling all the customizations, including the company addresses, tax code, invoice types, everything in the suite itself. It's built on a BTP platform of SAP. So in the cockpit, RTC is collecting all invoices, and from the top part of the cockpit, the end users can easily filter the cockpit based on a company code level, the document type differentiation, the status that we assign for each of the transaction as per their legislative status, whether it's an inbound or outbound invoice, and there are also further filtering options based on the end user preference. And from the below part of the cockpit, the end users can easily see all invoices line by line. And when an invoice is newly created, it's coming with a new status, and all these columns are representing an invoice information. We are also bringing the source document number, and these columns can be also adjustable as per the end user preference too. And after generating an AR invoice, then in the details, all invoice information, including the header information, customer and seller details, as well as the item level description and the implemented taxes are stored in here. And in the logs part, the end user can also see each logs as per the action taken for each of these invoices. RTC is also handling some validation solution. So based on the published schemas by the authorities, by the United Arab Emirates directory, we are checking the required XSD schemas before the creation of these invoices, and you may be able to see this validation in here. Along with that, we are also checking the endpoint and the tax number of the customers from the PEPAL directory, and you will be able to see its enablement in here. Aside of that, we are also generating the required XML file and a human readable version of HTML and PDF of these invoices. And then from RTC Suite Cockpit, these invoices can be directly sent to the receiver's PayPal access point, and another report would be also submitted to the UAE Tax Authority. And the status is automatically updates itself based on the action that is taken. So as a final status, it will be coming as success document for the final status once it's received successfully from the end users. And the end user will be also able to see this is an outbound document. And for inbound documents, the cockpit can be filtered accordingly. And for each of them, RTC Suite also handles receiving all invoice details from header information to customer seller details, item level, taxes, as well as the logs. And the same layouts of XML, HTML, and PDF is also enabled in here. And the document is seen as inbound invoice. Aside of that, RTC Suite also checks incoming invoices as they are sent from the sender's PayPal access points. Thank you.